On this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Watch Video tab missing. So all what you want to do to fix this problem is actually very easy. So first thing you want to do is you have to open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. As you can see right here, click on the apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is click on Facebook right here, and when you click on it, it will take you directly to this page. This is the app informations page. All what you want to do here is click on the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and now click on the power usage details, click on force stop, and one last thing you want to do now is update your Facebook in the Play Store or the App Store. Don't forget to like, subscribe.